brand new Luke Bryan song, Build Me a Daddy, in the key of D. This one starts out with just a kind of an easy strum. D, G, back to D, then a B minor, to G, then back to your D, to G. Repeats B minor, A, repeats that again, G, and then we go to the chorus. Would you build me a A, strong as Superman, B minor, A, that's the verse chorus. If you want the complete blueprint of this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Second verse is basically the same form as the first verse. Isn't it? A little more rhythm. G, B minor, G, B minor, and G. Repeats that. B minor, A, G. A, strong as Superman. B minor, make a detail. A, solid roll. And a G, with a smile you can. 'Cause I sure miss a D. Bridge, give him a back to A. Build me a daddy. Chorus. B minor. A. G. On that, when it drops on that D, you can pick up that lick. A couple different ways to do that, but you're using an open A to a second fret, second finger, and an open D, second fret, second finger on the D. So, and that's a handy little lick if you're in the key of D. You'll hear it a lot. That's a nice little setup when it's doing the chorus. So that's Build Me a Daddy, a new song by Luke Bryan. Really simple. Just a great vibe to that song. I like the way it's written. I like the way he sings it. Very cool. If you want to subscribe, please do so down below. I'd really appreciate it. And leave me a comment. Hit me up. Love to hear from you. See you soon.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Good to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!